Hi, this is Dr. Dickinson, and we'll be looking at using the Google Hangout feature. So you'll want to go to the Google page. You'll www.google.com in your browser. Sign in. You need an account. You should already have an account since you've made one blog. Okay. Then you'll be redirected. You'll see your name here. And on the left-hand corner, you'll see your name with a plus. This is the Google Plus site. And this is where all the social media is. All right. And again, you'll see your name, your picture. Similar to Facebook, these are all the people that are currently on here. None of them. You'll see their name in green. So if you are chatting or waiting to do a hangout with a few of your colleagues, you should see their name with a green camera button. Then you'll click on Start a Hangout, and it will take you to the Hangout page. Now you see me down here. Hello. See all of your friends in your Google circles. Then you can add names or people from your circle or people that aren't in your circle. So I'll add my work email address. You want to name your Hangout. And if you want to record your Hangout, you'll want to click on this Enable Hangouts on Air. This will make sure that your Hangout is recorded, and then you can have the option of saving it to YouTube. Click on Hangout and start in the broadcast. Now you know my audio is working because this light here is moving when I talk. See that? Great. Now you don't need to click on this Start Broadcast because that's for a live broadcast on the Google Plus site. Okay? If you want to get the code, add it to your website, you can just click on Embed. Not necessary. If your microphone's not working, you make sure that you don't have this mute microphone. Now you can't hear me. Also, if your camera feature's not working, it might be because your camera is not activated. So you want to make sure this button here is clicked. All right. Now, there's some features over here on the left-hand side. Let's say you forgot to invite someone. You can click here. You can add more people. Say I wanted to add Chris. I can add her to my Hangout. Let's say I want to enable a chat feature so that if people enter the Hangout, they can say hello. Or maybe so they can chat while I'm speaking. So that feature is enabled. Another feature you'll probably want to use is the screen share, because you'll be sharing your presentations. You could email them to each other, but it might be nice as well to share your screen. Click on desktop. And that should share your desktop. Then you can open your presentation. And you can share it and walk your colleagues through the presentation. Talk about what you did, what you found, what was interesting. Again, people could be adding comments to the chat box. All right. So that is pretty much how you use the Google Hangout. Feel free to send me any of your questions. Now, if you just want to deactivate any of these features, you would declick screen share, declick chat, get a bigger screen here. Really don't need any of the other apps. And when you're finished, you can just exit and your Hangout. Okay, and it says you are currently broadcasting. Exit this hand will also stop this broadcast. Do you want to exit? Yes. And now it already shows me that a recording of the broadcast will now be uploaded to your YouTube channel and will automatically replace the live video players that were shared. Please allow a few minutes for the upload and processing to complete, and you'll be able to view the recording in your YouTube Video Manager. Now, because Google is already affiliated with YouTube, you should have a connection there. If you have the Google account, you automatically have a YouTube account. Okay, well that is the Google Hangout feature. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Feel free to send me any questions that you might have. You can add them on the voice, the virtual office, or an email. Thanks so much and have a great night.